We have studied in previous week Long Walk to Freedom, which has been written by Nelson Mandela. This was the first part. Now we are in the middle parts of this lesson. Now try to understand here the again what happens in the lesson and what express Mandela about the South Africa. In the last decades of 20th century, had my own 8 decades as man. That system set the overturn forever and replaced by that recognize the rights and freedom. Peoples, regardless of the color of their skins. Here the writer expressed decades. It means the 10 years. After independence, here the many things was the changed and Mandela wanted to progress the country both here the black and white to make the hard labor and take the destination. That day had come about though the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people whose suffering and the courage can never be counted on repeat. I left that day as I have so many other days, that I was simply the sum of those African patriots who had before me, that when the novel, the ended and now began again with me. I was spent that I was not able to thank them that they were not being able to that the sacrifices I had wrought. According to Mandela, the writer expressed here such persons who sacrifice their life for the country, and I have seen the some peoples who are present but some are not. I want to express here the thank all over the people who are the related to the freedom or not. The policy of apartheid and the created deep and last wounded in my country and my people, all us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from that profound hurt. But the decades of oppression and brutality and another unintended effect that was that and produced the Oliver Thambas, Walter Sisles, the chief Youthlis, the Yusuf Descartes and Graham Fishers, the Robert servants of our time, men of such extraordinary. The writer expresses here the different types of the patriots. However, these peoples showed here the freedoms and wanted to make a great country to South Africa. These peoples worked hard, but at that period, here the Africans are persecuted by the English. They didn't understand here this is the land of the black people, but they are persecuted. The black people, they have no idea, they have no right to the get freedom, they have no right to the get knowledge, but these are the faults of the white people. I crush wisdom and generosity that, unlike many, never again. Perhaps if the required such depth of the operation, creates such heights of the character. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that the beneath of the soil. But I have the always known that the greatest wealth of its people, finer the truth than and the purer dye. Here this land is the main sources of the minerals. Here the many minerals are inherent under the grounds of the South Africa. Diamond, gold, different types of the mineral also present here. But now this country is the poor. Here the writer express people of South Africa are the purest diamonds and character is the most important. I want to make a bold character of South Africa. It is from and these comrades and the struggle that I learned and the meaning of the courage. And again, I have been saying the women risk and give their lives for an idea. I have men stand up the stack, the torture and without breaking, showing a strength, relies and defies of the imagination. I learned that the courage was the absent fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not who does not feel afraid, who conquers that the fear. Fear is a fatal thing. In the fear we cannot progress. The writer express here, we should conquer the fear. It is rightly said, here the fate is the favor of the brave person. So you should make a brave, then the country can be progressed. The writer shows here the courage is also important to the triumph here the over the many difficulties. Now one in the one and the waiting another because of the color of the skin and background or in the religion. People must attend the hate and if they are done to the can be tough, taught to love for their out and the naturally to human here the opposites. Generally people reply head to head. But Mandela said we cannot reply head to head. This is the most important. We can hear the triumph head on the love. Love is the most important, or love is the spontaneous outwards by heart. You should make the progress and the here the developed country to make a fine unity and this make here the progress to nature as a fraternity. Such as the here the idea and the progress and the stands persons and the comrades and I wear the sour limit side with glimmers of that year the nationalism the guards. Perhaps the second and innate of the deserts of the going, man's goodness and the flame that the bead and hour the never here the extinguished. Man is the pure, here the flames, such as the flames is comes due to the goodness. So goodness is the most important and goodness contain different kinds of the thing such as the righteousness, pity, love, kindness, etc. So you should give the such persons both here the love in the black and the white. Then here the South Africa can make progress and I want to here the express the equality. Equality is the most important to the all people. Okay, remaining parts I can teach you next time.